Goji Mead, day 3. The wild yeasts are fully in action now. I can see them working away in there, and they're definitely building up CO2 pressure. Got to release it at least twice a day. So we've successfully propagated the wild yeast that were on the goji berry skin to take over inside here. You can see that they're putting off CO2, so they're converting the natural sugars into alcohol, and they are pulling all the nutrients, all the minerals, all the good stuff out of those goji berries and putting it into the mead. So I'll keep this up for another week, and then it'll be transferred to a narrow-necked vessel where I will strain out the goji berries, and that can finish the fermentation.